It's Friday. We're here again making cocktails. One of my favourite times of the day, but unfortunately I've lost my other half. Considering Friday is his favourite day of the week for drinking, I don't know where he is.
I'm here. I just thought I'd been so mean to you, I'd give you a flower.
Thank you. Why?
Well, because I'm always mean to you, so I thought I might as well start the video off on a high note. Yeah.
Where's your glasses?
You know what? I find it easy to be nice to you when I can't see. So, no, I do.
So another backhanded compliment and thank you. Oh, this is my mum's flower.
Well, that was the flower from your mother's garden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
See?
I still can't believe Pam Ann picked my mum.
Me either. Look,
That's freaky.
That's why we're making a Long Island iced tea, you know?
Yes.
I'll put it in the vase.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to make a Long Island iced tea. It brings me back to my teenage years. This was the drink we always drank to get hammered. It's
But
an
remember,
old classic.
I only drink this one on Fridays because you don't want to get up and go to work the next day.
Well, it's responsible drinking of alcohol.
Yeah, but this ain't responsible.
It is. Look, literally, this is emptying your cabinet.
Yeah.
The only rule with an iced tea is it has to be white spirits.
Oh, that's racist.
There's no right or wrong way of doing it. This is my version of a Long Island iced tea that this one seems to love. So, all we need, again, this is make it in a single glass.
So I just had to go and yell at the dogs. They're going to start barking. Yeah.
And you?
No, they decided now's the playtime because they see you. Okay, so I'm going to put.
All right.
This is my favourite bit. You get to put balls in a glass. Look, and this one's got little nipples. Look at that. Can you see like the little? Oh.
All right, Pam Ann, just tone it down. All right, so all you need to do is glass. Now, the spirits that I'm going to use today, we've got tequila, gin, Bacardi, rum, vodka, triple sect, and simple syrup. And of course,
Is triple sec got alcohol in it?
yeah, it's just orange flavoured liqueur. This is basically Cointreau without the name Cointreau.
Oh, okay.
So it's the rip-off version.
Cool. I like the cheap versions.
And of course, you always need to top it up with a bit of Coke and a beautiful lemon for flavour.
Yeah.
Now, again, pouring, it's up to you. Just a splash of everything.
Okay, I can get my video ready. Oh, no, hang on, I'm videoing me. That's not going to help.
No.
Yeah.
So we have a splash
A splash.
of tequila,
A splash.
a splash of gin,
Yeah. A splash.
Bacardi.
Bacardi! Yeah.
I thought you were going to do Jamaican then.
Oh.
Jamaican me mad, man.
You are making me, you're making me horny.
Splash. Then it's just a dash.
Oh, a dash. We don't want it too orangey.
And finally,
What's that for? Oh, to make it sweet so you can swallow all that alcohol.
like me.
Yeah.
And then finally, you just top that off with Coke.
Ooh.
Garnish boy.
Oh, yeah. It's my only job. Yeah. So how would you like it?
No, I wanted a thin wedge.
A what?
A thin wedge. That's a...
Okay, no, I get now. It took me a minute. That wasn't in the mathematics manual. Wedges. Yeah.
Look, you can put a slither, but I think it's nicer having a thin wedge of lemon, and then all you do is drop that into the drink.
Really? Just like that?
Drop it in.
Oh, yeah.
Delicately.
Yeah, I did it.
Did you wash your hands?
No. And an umbrella.
If you want.
Come on, this is for Miami.
We'll stick it on.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
Oh, God, there's no class with you, is there?
All class.
All right, and then a straw.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You got your beautiful rainbow
Oh, I got
one.
my rainbow one that's just arrived. But we'll tell you all about the ones that arrive next week.
I know.
Yeah.
No, don't stir.
Oh, don't stir.
No.
Okay.
And then, supposedly, as you're drinking through the layers of alcohol, they all converge into a beautiful drink. Supposedly, I don't know. It's science.
That's nice.
Give me a sip.
Not too much. You know,
Rude.
I'm not a sharer.
But notice how it doesn't burn?
No, and I don't like straight alcohol. Yeah.
Well, it's not. It's got a little bit of Coke in it.
Yeah.
Anyway, the perfect drink on a Friday afternoon.
Long Island iced tea. All you need is a pool boy, not a
It's Cup week. We can't go to the races, so have a couple of these.
Oh yeah, you actually might enjoy it then. I mean, watching the horses run around. Yeah.
Anyway, guys, please, as we keep on saying, post your drinks on our socials. Go to Wayne and Tom.
And Cocktails TV, you can go to Joy. I know Joy doesn't put them on because, you know, it's alcohol. Yeah, just come to Wayne and Tom or Cocktails with Wayne and Tom. Yeah.
But you can find everything in our book.
Oh, yeah.
Cocktails with Wayne and Tom.
Look, it's in there. Page 69. Who would have known that? I'm telling you. A couple of them and 69 is going to happen. Yeah.
And if you want a copy of our book, you can go to our website.
No, there's none left.
There is.
Oh, there's one or two. Yeah, but that's true.
Christmas is coming. This is the perfect Christmas stocking. It's only $20.
How come in the book you used a proper measuring cup?
Because you have to, because it's in a book.
Oh, okay. So you don't really have to do that.
Okay, and it's up to you how you're feeling.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. I noticed there's no umbrella in that one, but that's okay. Yeah.
All right, guys. Have a great weekend.
Bye.
See ya. Bye.